Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to fix the door check in a 2016 Ram ProMaster City. Sometimes when you open the checks, pushing these two guys over here, they usually stay like this, and you might think they're bad because they don't lock. Let me show you. So right now they're not locking into the place, so the door doesn't stay like half open. The only way, or the best way to do it, you don't need to replace this door check, so the door latch. What you need to do is you need to pull this hard until you hear a click, and whenever you hear a click, it is ready to roll. So you check it, it is loose, and then you need to push it hard and you hear the click. When you hear the click, you need to close it, open these guys right here a little bit and close it in. Let's see, right now it is ready, and now it's working properly. So if you need to open it, you just need to push this over here, and that's all. It's an easy fix for the door checks and the door latch.